Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the sizzling world of air fryers. Are these sleek kitchen gadgets truly worth the hype, or are they just another passing fad? We've all heard the claims: crispy, guilt-free indulgence with less oil and mess. But do air fryers live up to their promises? In this video, we'll uncover the facts, conduct some mouth-watering experiments, and help you make an informed decision. So, if you're considering adding an air fryer to your culinary arsenal, stick around, because we're about to reveal whether it's a game changer or just hot air. Let's get frying. So, why should you consider getting yourself an air fryer? Well, let me break it down for you. First off, they're like magic for making your food nice and crispy without drowning it in oil. So, you can enjoy that delicious crunch without the guilt. Second, they're speedy. No more long waits for your meals, these babies cook things up super fast. Third, they keep your kitchen a lot cleaner. No more oil splatters everywhere. And lastly, they're versatile. You can use them to fry, roast, bake, and even reheat food. So, in a nutshell, air fryers are all about crispy, quick, clean, and versatile cooking. Pretty handy, right? The top 5 advantages you'll gain from using an air fryer are: air fryers bring life to frozen grub like you wouldn't believe. We all stash away a bag of frozen fries or chicken nuggets in our big freezer. Sometimes, when we're running low on time and energy, those frozen treats turn into a rather uninspiring meal. But let me tell you, the buzz around air frying isn't just talk. You see, regular oven fries, they can't hold a candle to your beloved takeout. Yet, air fryers work their magic using a special basket to swirl hot air all around your food. It's like they're on a mission to evenly spread the small amount of fat and oil in your oven fries, and somehow, they manage to bring back that incredible fried food taste and texture. I'm not kidding, you'll notice the difference, I give you my word. Number 2, they have the power to revive any takeout dish. You understand what I'm getting at, right? If you've ever ordered those thick fries through a takeout app, you know they usually come wrapped in paper or in one of those white polystyrene containers, and how the hot air can ruin their crispy goodness. Well, nowadays, when I crave that freshly served texture, I just toss them in my air fryer, and it pretty much brings back their crispy bite. Because, let's be honest, nobody wants a soggy fry. The same trick works for those limp samosas or bhajis when you've gone a little overboard ordering from your favorite curry spot. Number 3, they're friendly to your wallet. With the ever-changing prices of food and energy, it's important for every family to be mindful of their budget. However, that doesn't mean you have to rely on cheap fast food or skimp on serving sizes. Introducing the air fryer. Now, here's the good news: if you're pondering whether air fryers will put a dent in your wallet, the answer is a resounding no. In fact, it only costs about 20 to 80 cents to operate an air fryer for an hour, and you probably won't even be using it for that long, unless you're cooking hefty chunks of meat. So, the bottom line is, running an air fryer is a much more economical choice compared to firing up your oven. Number 4, it's a whole lot healthier for cooking. If you're curious about how healthy an air fryer can be, well, it does depend on what you put in it. But what's undeniable is that you won't need anywhere near as much oil as you would for pan frying or baking in an oven. Take, for instance, cooking up some chicken wings or oven fries. Placing them in the air fryer basket lets the excess fat drip away into the drawer below. This not only gives your food that perfect crunch all over but also means you won't be consuming that extra fat when you dig into your meal. If you're aiming to cut down on your fat intake, getting yourself an air fryer is a pretty smart move. And hey, don't forget about those snacks for the kids' school lunches. If you've been shelling out loads of money on fruit jerky and don't want to spend a fortune or clutter up your kitchen with fancy gadgets like a food dehydrator, you can whip up this delicious treat right in your air fryer. Number 5, an air fryer lets you cook a whole bunch of things. Many good air fryers come with settings for grilling, roasting, reheating, and even baking. You'd be surprised at the wide range of things you can prepare using an air fryer. In fact, when you get yourself an air fryer, you're not limited to just frying your usual fare. Think about tray cakes and yes, even hard-boiled eggs in an air fryer. Some folks have even whipped up cheesecakes, toast, and muffins in these contraptions. So, whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts, or snacks, you can make the most of your air fryer all year round. In this video, we explore the question of whether an air fryer is worth adding to your kitchen. We delve into 5 key benefits of using an air fryer, including its ability to enhance the taste of frozen foods, its budget-friendly operation, its health-conscious cooking methods, its versatility in preparing a wide range of dishes, and the convenience it offers with various cooking settings. Throughout the video, we share insights, cooking demonstrations, and practical tips to help viewers make an informed decision about whether investing in an air fryer is a worthy addition to their culinary arsenal.